Nau Mai. Hi, my name is Matariki.
And what are today, WINTON School? I'm Madi. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our Madi, the 24th of April.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu o te wiki. Papa te nuku,
which is te reo for Earth.
Ka pai. Okay, on to library news. Book club orders are due next Friday. There are loads of great books to choose from.
And remember that library is open Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's today.
School council, you have a meeting today in the group room at 1 o'clock. Be on time. Kia ora.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read the notices in the text box below.
Okay, I noticed about some grass areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Please keep it as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play.
And making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
Okay, a couple of birthdays over the long weekend. And we start with Holly Exel turning 12 today.
Bridget Smith turns 12 this weekend. And Devin Clark is turning 11.
Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo at the Anzac Dawn service.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the white mud, WINTON School.